Am reglat și partea de clipping, so clipping protection it's adjusted, not protection, it's a indication for the person who is using the device to avoid increasing the level of power to not damage the speakers. So here is the peak indication. This amplifier is delivering 50 watts, and we will see, according with oscilloscope and the signal generator, where is the clipping point. So now we have 1000 Hertz, 1 kilohertz. We'll increase the signal amplitude. You see, so here it's clipping. You see, the wave is distorted here now, both channels in the same time, yeah. So it's about 20.2 volts AC. Yes, the LEDs are lighting. If I'm decreasing the level, LEDs, they are switching off. Now I'm increasing the amplitude and the lights are coming on again. So this is how it's going. Decreasing, LEDs are off. Increasing, LEDs are on. It's absolutely perfect. Very good. It's also a Tensai, this device. You see, this is how it looks after restoration. Everything was cleaned, proper transformers, right channel. And this is how it looks after restoration. Yeah, so the multimeters are connected across 8 ohms dummy loads on volts AC. Signal generator, it's on the sine wave output. Offset, it's on middle. Amplitude, it's on low level. Yeah. Here is the frequency, and here is the signal. It's the oscilloscope also across dummy loads. If you want to see, like example, to see a different wave, we can use this triangle. You see, also it started to distort. It's giving distortion down, and also square. This is the square one. Depends what you want to test and how you want to test. Usually I'm using this one, sinusoidal wave. Very good. Thank you for your time. I hope you enjoyed this video. It's a short video. This dummy load, somebody asked me on one video how I made this. So if you are looking, here are 4 resistors. Here are the bridges, common bridges. One resistor is for, so this is warm now, so this is 8 ohm and 4 ohm, yeah, and this is the common, and these 2 wires are coming here on the switch, on this one. You see, it's a double switch, and in the middle is the inlet from the power amplifier, yeah, so it's coming in the inlet here in the middle, and the switch, he is changing between 4 and 8 ohms, yeah, and this is common, which is going to the negative. So negative, it's coming on the connection back, is coming here on this bridge, okay, and these 2 wires, they are going on the switch, on the sides of the switch, and the middle, the common contact from the switch, it's coming back to the plus. And by this switch, I'm changing between 8 ohms and 4 ohms. And you see, this is stereo dummy load. the switch he is using two poles, let's say, left and right. Yeah, and it's changing between these two. Now I'm using on this amplifier because it's a small amplifier, small radiator, small power. I'm using the 8 ohms resistors. Yeah, so the cables are going on the sides, everything is connected here on the front. On the front, how I made this, we'll start with the input. So input is coming here on the side. This is right, this is left. Like I said, common is going on the bridges, and from the switches is going on the sides. Yeah, across this button, across the resistor, let's say, I'm from this resistors, I'm taking two connections. One connection is going for oscilloscope, second connection is going for this multimeters. Yeah, I made these two sockets for the probes. You see, you can put 4mm probe, you can put the test leads like that inside, or you can put directly bananas like this. Yes, I'm using this from Fluke. Okay, and for oscilloscope, I'm using this B and C connectors. If it's not clear like that, you can make also a sketch to see exactly how I did this. And when I create this dummy load, when I was in the process of when I was projecting this dummy load, I was thinking to make also two more switches for each channel. I will take this off. How I was thinking this. If you want to use this dummy load like a load, you have to change the position for this switch here on the load, and also this one for the other channel. If you want this connection to be disconnected from everything what is inside from resistors, you can put this switch on off, and you'll have only the reading for voltage and for oscilloscope. If you want to change if you want to hear also the sound from the amplifier, you can change also the switch for the speaker. So from this one, I let the cables back. So my idea was to connect also on the back of this device two speakers, and in the meanwhile, when you are testing the amplifier with this load, to change these switches to the speaker and also to listen the sound. But I was considering is not necessary this, and I let the dummy load like it is. So this is my little project, we can say. It's nothing fancy. The resistor you can buy online. I bought from Mauser. Each of them it's 300 watts, 8 ohms and 5 ohms. Yes. And here it looks like that. It's nothing complicated. What can I say? The quality of the switches are not. The quality of the switches is not okay. It's not too good for this this project, but okay. Like you see, for this one, for this on the sides, I create bridges there because the switches, they worked a couple of times, and after that they were falling down. So only one which is working is this one in the middle, which is better quality. You can see it's written also Japan, and it's working properly to change the position from 8 to 4. You see, these are not so friendly. See, this one is very touchy, let's say, very smoothly. Okay, so if you like what we are doing here, what I'm doing here, please subscribe, thumb up, leave comments down, share with others, and stay tuned. Every second day I will try to make a new video and to share with you. Thank you very much and stay safe. See you. Cheers.